Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all having an amazing day and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, what I'll be telling you guys how to do is how you can play with friends in Asphalt 9 Legends. So let's cut right to the chase and let me explain to you the way that you actually do this. Now, when you actually start up the game, to actually play with friends, you'll need at least 10 career flags. And once you do get them, you will unlock the option to either create or join a club. And the way you actually play with your friends is through these clubs. So sadly, as you can see, I do not have these 10 flags. However, I do have a screenshot through which I will show you what it looks like and the process behind it. So bear with me for a second. Alright guys, I am back, and as you can see, this is a screenshot of what it looks like when you actually have the option. Once you click on my club, and of course to unlock it, as I've said, you need 10 flags and you need at least 50 tokens. And once you have them, you can either join or create a club. To play with your friends, you want to create a club. Once you do, you need to send them an invite by entering their Asphalt 9 ID. And once you do, they will have the option to accept, and once they do, they will be a part of your club. Now, once they accept and once they are a part of your club, you will have the option of forming or creating club races. Now, once you do, you just click on create a race. You select the map on which you want to actually play. And once you do, you invite your friends, and that is how you play with your friends. Actually, scratch that. You don't have to invite your friends. You only need to select a map and a car you want to drive. All of your club friends will be invited, and once you do, you just create the race and start racing. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in another video.